Hello students. Today we start a new topic and topic name is window and ventilation in a module number 4 building components. So today we are discuss on a window, what is window or define a window, then after types of window and ventilation. So what is ventilation and fixture and then after we are discussing on hinges, bolts, handle, lock, etc. and uh, types of the hinges. So let's start a new topic, window. So what is window? So a window may be defined as the framework of a wooden, steel, glass, aluminum or a combine of the all the material secure in the opening left in the wall for the purpose of providing the lighting and ventilation in a structure of the building. So here window is generally made by the wooden and glass, and generally in a ancient time window is generally made by the wooden. No any another material is used in the use in a window. And nowadays generally we use the steel, aluminum, glass, and a combination of the all the material we are generally use. Now here window is provided always on the external wall of the building. So in a no any internal wall window is provided, only external wall window is provided for the getting the light and ventilation. uh, Now here in a second slide, see these components of a window. So here different component is given. So here first is in a component first is frame. So what is frame? So frame is nothing but it is horizontal and vertical member forming to enclose to which the shutter are fixed is known as a framework. Now next important is a mullion. So what is mullion? So it is the vertical member of a frame which employed to subdivide a window vertically is known as a mullion. Then after another is a jamb. So what is jamb? So this is the vertical wall face of opening which support the frame is known as a jamb. And next is a seal. So seal is a bottom portion or a bottom part of the window is known as a seal. Now next is a head. So what is head? Head is a topmost or uppermost horizontal part of the frame is known as a head. And style. So style is a vertical outside member of a shutter of the window is known as a style. And glazing is a open part at which glass is provided is known as a glazing. So these are the general window components. Now we discuss in the next slide is a types of window. So here total 13 types of the window is generally we use. So one by one we discuss on it. So let's we start a first window. So first window is a fixed window. So in this type of the window the glass panel is permanently fixed in the opening of the wall. So here no any type of the shutter is open or closed. So this type of the window is generally used for the getting the lights from the outside. And no ventilation facility is done in a fixed window. So uh, here only single frame is fixed in the wall or opening area, and in a frame directly glass is fixed. So in home there are generally decorative window near the door stairwell and high place, or are used in a combination with other style. So see this figure. So in this figure fixed window is seen. So in this fixed window, glass is permanently fixed and not in glass shutter is can't be opened or closed. Now next type of the window is a pivot window. So in this pivoted window, shutter is capable to rotate about the pivot to fix the window frame. So here as you seen in this figure, so in this figure pivot is fixed in a window shutter and in a window frame, and shutter is rotated in a pivot, and the shutter can be swing horizontally or vertically as per our requirement. So here both the type of the pivoted window is provided, horizontal pivoted. So here pivot is provided horizontally and window shutter is rotated horizontally, and in a vertical pivot, so window pivot is provided vertically and window is open in a vertical face only. Now one of the disadvantages of the this type of the window is that not a full opening of the window shutter is given in a pivot window. So here in the next slide pivot window figure is also given. So in this window, white color window show the pivoted window. Now next type of the window is a sliding window or a slider. So generally in a high-rise building and nowadays flat and tenement schemes, this type of the window is seen, sliding window. So here has a two or more sash that overlap sliding but slide horizontally within the frame. So here when we open the shutter, so one shutter is comes on another shutter and overlap with each other, and we got a air and ventilation and light from the window shutter. So here one of the disadvantages is that, so in a three window shutters only two window is opening and one window is always closed, because all the shutters are overlapped and fixed in the particular one shutter. So here out of three, two window opening is we got a two window opening, and if four window is there, four window shutter is there, so only three window is we got a opening as a opening area opening, and single window is always closed as a overlapping of the window shutter. So suitable opening or a groove are left in a framework to accommodate the shutter when the shutter are open. Now next type of the window is a casement window. So casement window is a hinge at the side. So here hinge is provided at the side face of the shutter, and this hinge is fixed in a frame. When fully open, offer maximum amount of ventilation. So here window shutter is fully open, all the three window is there, so three window is easily open, no any overlapping is done and no any single window is closed. So here operate like a hinge door and expect that it open and close the window with a lever inside the window. The shutter consists of a style top rail, bottom rail and intermediate rail, and here a stopper is provided in a top and bottom side. So depending upon the design and frame, have additional vertical and horizontal member like a mullion and a transom respectively, and the panel may be either glazed or unglazed or a party glazed or are fixed in a groove made in a rail. So this casement window is generally used in the area at which window is easily open at outside and no extra area is covered by the opening window. Now next type of the window is a glazed window. So this type of casement window where panel are fully glazed, and the frame has a styled top rail and bottom rail. The space between the top and bottom rail is divided into number of panel with small timber member uh, called sash bar as or a glazing bar. So the glass panel are cut 1.5 to 3 smaller in a size than the panel size is to permit the move or of a sash bar. So the glass panel are fixed the sash bar by putty or by timber beds. Now next type of the window is a lowered window. So they are provided for a solo function of the ventilation and not for the vision outside. So here in a lowered window, generally we got the air from the outside, but we can't see from the outside to in or into out. So they style are a groove or receive the series of the lowered, which may be glass or a wooden slates. So here lowers reusually fixed at a 45-degree inclination, sloping downward to the outward side to run off the rainwater, and the window provided light and ventilation even if closed. So such a window are recommended for a bath and ventilation. So these type of the window is generally provided in a ventilation provided in a ventilation, but not used in a generally used in a building residential building as a room window. So ventilation shuttle used lower which can be open or closed, and lower are pivoted at both the end in the frame. In addition, each blade is connected and vertically buttoned in a hinge. Now next type of the window is a metal window. So they are very popular in a public building and generally made by the mild steel, stainless steel or aluminum section. So here light in this type of the window, aluminum section window is light in a weight, and mild steel being cheapest of all, they are widely used, and the window can be fabricated for the required size, use light rolled steel section, and they are fixed directly in the wall opening in a wooden frame or in a steel frame. So nowadays in a high-rise building, to decrease the weight of the structure, so this type of the metal window means aluminum window is provided to decrease the weight, because it's light in a weight as compared to wooden. So thus the size of the window is kept window opening is kept slightly more than the frame size, so the allowed to clearance between them two. So the window is fixed into the opening only after the masonry and the lintel work is over. So after completion of the masonry work and at the end of the construction work, this type of the window is fixed in a wall. Now next type of the window is a bay window. So the window projecting outward from the external wall and wide and decoratively impress allow 180-degree view, and a multi-panel window with at least 3 panels set at a different angle to create an extension from the wall line, and it is commonly used in a cold country where the snow often fall, and they may be triangular, circular and rectangular, and polygonal in a plan. So the bay window is generally we seen in a drawing hall. So the bay window is not we seen in a bedroom or a kitchen part. So this type of the window is only we seen in a residential bungalow in a drawing hall only. Now clear story window. So here next type of the window is a clerestory window. So these are the provided to permit the light and ventilation in a room having more height than the adjoining room, or when the ventilation is restricted. So generally provide near the top of the main roof and open above the slab of the adjoining room. The shutter are generally pivoted at the center, and the shutter can be open or closed by means of a two cord, each attached to the rail of a shutter, and the shutter must be swing in such a way that the upper part open inside the room and lower part outside to the exclude the rainwater. So here these type of the as you seen in a figure, this type of the clerestory window is sometime in a fix, only glass is provided, and sometime it's a pivoted for the opening purpose. But here in a pivoted, only horizontal pivoted is provided. uh, Now next type of the window is a corner window. So these are the provided at the corner of the room, so at which from the both the side light and ventilation we got properly, and light and air are admitted from the two direction, and the jam post are corner is made heavy section because all the load are transferred from the jams. So here in a corner part wooden frame is provided strong because it's take a load. Now next type of the window is a dormer window or a gable window. So this type of the window is provided generally in a bungalow scheme. So dormer window or gable window is provided in a sloping roof provided for the light and ventilation uh, in a room. So this type of the window is provided in a bungalow or tenement scheme at which a roof is provided at the top. Now next is a skylight. So see this figure. So this type of the skylight window is admit the natural light and help the distributed light more evenly throughout the room. And here skylight window is not open, it's a fixed with wooden frame with a glass. So in this figure you exactly seen. So skylight window is provided on the top of the roof, and from the roof we got the light easily. So this type of the window is not used for the ventilation purpose, and the opening for the window is made by the cutting common rafter. The frame is consist of a trimming piece, and the bottom rail top rail is provided. So the opening is treated with a flashing to ensure the waterproofing because it's a fix in a topmost part of the slab. So skylight window may be plastic or a glass and fix in or operable and made in a number of size and style. Now next type of the window is a lantern window. So such window are provided over the flat roof to provide more light and air to the inner room. The window project above the roof level, and this type of the lantern window is provided in a largest room, means generally in a drawing hall area. So see this figure, you in this figure you exactly seen the inner in this room uh, largest room lantern window is fixed on the top of the room. Now next is a ventilation or a ventilator. So ventilator are a small window fixed gather height than the window, generally about 30 to 50 centimeter below the roof level. So this type of the window is provided for air circulation or air ventilation. So main motto of this ventilator is not getting the light from the outside but getting the uh, fresh air from the outside, and keep the temperature or keep the temperature inside of the room is minimum. Now next is fan lights. So what is fan lights? So fan light is a small window or ventilator fixed above the door or window frame separated by a transom. So the function is to ensure the cross the ventilation in the room even if the door and window are closed. So they also assist in admit the natural light. So in this photo you exactly seen from the opening area, means from the opening door or a window above, this type of the light, fan light is provided. So we got the light and ventilation from the upper part when the building door and window is closed. Now next is a fixture and fastening. So here four type of the fixture and fastening is generally used: hinges, bolt, handle, lock. So these are the four main fixture and fastening is used to fix the door and window. So here hinges is provided. So here different type of the hinges is provided, generally used to use in a window and door. So here gamut hinge, Normandy hinge, then after counter flange hinge, parliamentary hinge, and strap hinge, and pin hinge. So generally door and window, pin hinge is generally nowadays in a use, and in ancient time strap hinge is used. So strap hinge is generally used for the largest door, and pin hinge is generally used for a small window or a small door, and counter flap hinge is generally generally used in a door. It's not used for the window. Now next is a spring hinge and double acting hinge. So spring hinge is generally used in a furniture work. So when we open the door shutter, and after completion of the work, door is open or closed easily. So by the using of the spring, so door is closed easily. Now next is bolts. So here I drop bolt and barrel bolt and a flush bolt, then after espanglet bolt and aspen split bolt is generally used. So these type of the bolt, in these all these type of the bolt, barrel bolt is generally used in our residential building. So barrel bolt is provided in a window at a top and bottom part, and also in this type of the bolt is also provided in a door also at the topmost part. Now next is the handles. So bow type handle, then after wire drop handle, and lever handle, and door handle is generally, these four type of the handle is generally used for the door and window. So here number of the variety or design is generally used in a residential building or a commercial building. So door handle is generally used in offices, and in a residential building this type of the door handle is used in a main door, and in a window both type of the handle is provided in all the windows like in a residential or commercial, etc. Now next is a locks. So here locks is generally used to fix or lock the door and window with frame. So here mortise lock, rim lock, then after cupboard lock, lever handle lock, and padlock is generally used in a door and window. So here in a door and window, lever handle lock is generally used in a door, and for the cupboard or a furniture work, so cupboard lock is used. And in a main gate or a main door, mortise lock is generally used, or a rim lock is generally used. And in outside part, padlock is used. After close the handle, we lock the handle by the padlock. So here window part and ventilation and handle lock, hinges, bolts, etc. are completed. Thank you.